Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and today's tutorial is going to be a brief tutorial on how to put your Etsy shop in vacation mode. Um, Sometimes you might need a break, and that's why you want to put it on vacation mode. Maybe you are traveling with your family, or maybe it's the holidays and you want to spend the time with your family and take a little break from the busier seasons like Christmas. Either or, whichever choice you decide to, it is a great time. It is an option that you could do with Etsy, and it is a good thing to do, actually, to take a little bit of a break. If you sell digital downloads like I do, and you sell instant downloads like I do as well, one suggestion that I would say is that instead of putting your whole entire store as a vacation mode, what I would do is I would turn off my custom orders and I would just leave instant downloads only. That way you could still make passive income in your during your vacation. Now, saying that, you most likely will have to check your messages every day in case someone has a hard time downloading a file, or they have a question about a specific file that they want to purchase from you. Other than that, at least you're not doing work, you're not taking time to create custom orders, and you're still enjoying your vacation or your needed break. So that would be just one tip that I would give you if you do sell digital prints like I do. Now, secondly, you want to make sure that you set up correctly the vacation mode. So if you plan to start taking vacation on Monday, make sure that if today's Friday, you have all your orders already created, that you already shipped them out by Saturday, that you provided everyone their tracking number, that everything is set up so that way by the time you do go ahead and put your shop in vacation, you don't have anything pending at that moment. So that's another important thing, especially if you're shipping items out. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and get started. All you have to do is log in into your Etsy shop and click on Shop Manager. Once you're in there, you will click on Settings and you will click on Options, and it's going to bring you to this section right here. So it's going to give you little tabs on the top. You're going to click on Vacation Mode, and this is going to let you put your shop on a temporary hold. Your listings are not going to appear in the search results, and no one can buy your listings. However, everything will continue the same way. You don't have to worry about when you come back your listing disappearing. Once you activate it again, everything goes back to normal. Now here it gives you a toggle to turn it off and on. So you would just press on once you're ready to do it. I do recommend putting a vacation announcement, and this is gonna replace your shop announcement. Whatever you have right now is gonna replace it. And normally you could just say, I'm taking a short break for the holiday season. We'll be back on December 31st. Or I'm taking a short break during this time, but I'll be back on this time. So this gives other people, like potential buyers that usually come to your shop and buy, they know what's going on. They're like, oh, okay, they're just taking a little break. They'll be back next week. That way they could come back and purchase from you, hopefully. But just make sure that you don't leave this blank. And make sure you do the auto reply as well. So the auto reply is anytime a customer sends you a message through Etsy message, they will get this message automatically. And it's a nice feature because you could go in there and say, hey, thank you for the message right now. I won't be able to answer, but as soon as I get back on Monday the 1st, I'll make sure to go ahead and address any questions you may have. For now, please come back at this later time. You could kind of personalize it the way you want to do it. I personally put in the date when I'll be back. And I personally do put, if you have any questions, leave them here and I will get back to you. That way, maybe they're not in a rush to buy the item and they could wait a couple more days and they'll give you the sale. So it's important that you fill out these two items here. Once you turn on the vacation mode, once you put your vacation announcement and your auto reply conversation, you save it. and automatically your store will be in vacation mode. So this is just the simple step to do. Is a brief tutorial. If you have any questions about placing your store in vacation mode, or if you have any questions about additional Etsy tutorial videos, make sure you leave a comment below. Make sure to give me feedback on my videos. I really do appreciate the people when they do give me feedback on them. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel to learn more about Etsy, how to make money online, how to make passive income, how to grow your Etsy store, and many more videos to come soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.